Good day everyone. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fold the letter and envelope insertion. So this is the business letter. Let's assume this is a business letter, okay? First I'm gonna fold the lower part, the bottom part, just like that. Make sure it's gonna fit perfectly. Make sure this line are even. Now I'm gonna hold the middle and twist. Very nice. Same with the bottom. I'm gonna take this upper part, gonna fold it down, gonna hold the middle and twist gently. Yeah, just like that. Simple as that. This is gonna looks like. Make sure the upper 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 part are visible, just like that. So when someone opens my letter, they're gonna see the header, which is the sender's information, etc. So let's go to envelope insertion. Now I'm gonna place my right thumb just like that, and the left thumb just like this. Okay, gonna position my hand just like that, and pull back the paper. Stop, then gently push. So as you see, there's a gap. It fits perfectly. Simple as that. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you for watching, guys.